What's up, y'all? We just bought a BMW F82 2016. This thing is beautiful. This has been my dream car for like 6 years. Y'all gotta come with me to come build it. All right, well, rebuild it, because as you can see, this thing is beat up, all right? We already got the front bumper on. We put, you know, the G82 headlights. I know somebody's gonna talk crap in the comment section, but it's okay. It's okay. It's my dream car. All right, it's okay. We're gonna build this thing. Come along with me to rebuild it. We're gonna start off with the GTS taillights. Should I probably rebuild the actual engine component first? Maybe, but I'm irresponsible. So we're gonna go aesthetics first. Yeah. But yeah, make sure you follow and subscribe, because we're gonna build this thing, and y'all can be a part of it. Today we're gonna be changing the taillights. My BMW F82. Look how beautiful that is. Whew. BMW knows what they're doing, y'all. The BMW aftermarket is undefeated. Do it one more time. Ready? Look how beautiful that looks, guys. This looks absolutely sexy, in my opinion. I can't think of a sexier rear end of a car, unless you bring up a Lamborghini or something. Look how sexy. Look at my dog, guys. Look at that sexy rear end. We got a few more things we gotta buff out, like this right here. Y'all let me know, guys. Should I get new rims? Y'all let me know. I like these rims a lot, but the G80 827M rims, they look a little better. We'll see. Y'all let me know. Also, guys, y'all let me know what intakes should I get. I don't know what intakes are good for an S55. Everybody I know with this car, they always, not even just this car, BMWs in general, they always put the intakes right here. So y'all let me know what intakes I should get. Even the tints on this thing are freaking gorgeous. This thing is tinted out all the way around. I don't think it has 5%, but it kind of looks like it. Can't see nothing inside. And then this is an odd decision by the previous owner. I don't know what he was thinking. There's like, it's maybe like a 5% tint. Not 5%, it's like a high percent tint, like a 90 or whatever. But then there's this blue tint. And you know what? It kind of grew on me, for the simple fact that we got that blue going on. Then we got the blue logo, which we're gonna change. We're gonna change the badges. Then we got the blue breakers. Then we got the blue in the G80 headlights. So it's kind of all, you know, color coordinated to a degree. It's growing on me. And then you got the silver, which I also didn't like, the Quicksilver, but the Silverstone bluish whatever. It grew on me. When I first got it, I was like, oh, I have to get it wrapped, but it's definitely growing on me. But if you look at it in a certain sunlight, it's kind of silverish blue, and it's really growing on me. So I think I'm gonna just leave it how it is. I do want to get a carbon GTS hood. Yes, we want to get a carbon GTS hood. This thing right here is gone. This is the base model hood. I'm definitely gonna change that. I think I'm just gonna get a normal GTS hood with the vent in the middle, and then I'm gonna wrap it carbon, and then I'll do a carbon roof as well, so we can have a whole carbon going forward, and then we'll see about a carbon wing. And we already do have this carbon wing right here. It is beautiful, but I just don't know if I want to commit to it, or should I get a large carbon wing? You know, down below, should I get a large carbon wing or just stay with this? I feel like it might be too much, and it might look a little raced out if I do get the giant carbon wing. Like, I'm talking like up here. But y'all let me know. Comment down below. Y'all let me know, should I get the carbon wing, the giant carbon wing, by the way. And just complete the look. We're gonna get a carbon hood, carbon roof. That's just gonna be a wrap though. It's gonna be normal, and we're gonna wrap it. But should I go all the way, or should I leave it like this? Y'all let me know, because I really don't know. Y'all let me know down below. But yeah, you got the beautiful black interior. I love the interior of this car. It's so sick. Yes, guys, we have the M seats. I wanted these seats for so long. This is my dream car. You guys don't understand. I wanted this car since 2020 when I bought my first BMW, a 3 Series. Of course, a 328i. The started car for every BMW kid. Yeah, that's what I had. And now I'm sitting in an M4 6 years later. This is a dream. You guys don't understand. But yeah, come watch me build this car. It's gonna be insane. Comment down below. Y'all let me know what else should I do to it, guys. Should I get the 827s? Should I get the big spoiler? Y'all let me know. Let me know any recommendations or suggestions you guys have. Comment down below. But yeah, come back next time. We'll have more going on with the F82. Comment down below. Make sure you like, subscribe.